As you can see, we have coming up here the Step 2 due on February 10th. So if you click on Step 2 Journal Articles, you'll have a description of what you need to do. Find, download, and read the required Howl article, plus 3 peer-reviewed articles on attention deficit disorder, ADD or ADHD, and create an APA reference for each of these articles. So if you click on the Fresno City College website link here, if you're on campus, it'll go directly to this site, and if you're off campus, you can see how you will log in, student ID and email, web advisor, Canvas password. So I will click again on EBSCOhost. Once I go to EBSCOhost, I'm going to look up the Howell, Husey, Hasek article. Those are authors. I'll click search, and here it is. I will click on the PDF full text, and I can download this article right here. Okay, so I could go ahead and download the PDF. Also, I can mail it to myself, email to, and type in your email address. Alright, so I have the Howell Husey article. I'm going to read the whole thing, and then I'm going to, so that's download the Howell Husey. I'm going to write a 1 to 2 paragraph summary. That's 8 points out of the 15 points. The next is download 3 peer-reviewed articles. So I'm going to go to results list. Let's see, I want to go back to the search. I'm going to clear the search, and this time instead of author, here, clear. Okay, instead of author, I might type attention deficit disorder and academic success or academic achievement, academic performance. I'll go ahead and search that. Oh, wait a second, I want peer-reviewed articles and PDF full text. Now I'll go ahead and research that. So let's see, longitudinal study. Now, when you open these up, some of them are fairly easy to read and fairly easy to follow, and some of them are harder to follow. If it's really hard to follow, go ahead and pick a different one. You can basically read the article and using both sort of your abstract and the conclusions, which comes at the end. Here we go, conclusions. You can sort of do a short 1 to 2 sentences, right, 1 to 2 sentences for 3 other ADD articles describing their contents. That's 3 points out of the 15. And then the last part of this is that you need to make, at the end of your summary, conclude APA references, 4 points. So let me go ahead and pretend here that here's the Howell Husey summary of the article. I have written 2 paragraphs describing the study. And in Microsoft Office, I can click References and Insert Citation. I'm going to add a new source. This is a journal article. The authors' names are Howell, Husey, and Hasek. The title was 15-year blah, 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 behavioral study. The journal name is Pediatrics. And the year is 1985 that it was published. Okay, so it just puts in the Howell. Here's your another article summary. And I'm going to make up a citation for this one because, but of course you're going to have some real citation. Let's say it was Jonah Smith, and the title was ADD and You, and the journal name was what's it called? And the year was 2015. All right, there's Smith, and then here's the another article, and another article summary. And again, you would put in a citation for each one of these. So let's say this was something that I wrote, and it was really nothing, and no journal, but it was published in 2016. All right, one more. I'm going to insert citation, add new source, and this will be Jolander, and the title is ADD in Him, and the article journal name is Academic Success, and the year was 2005. Okay, so I did all of that so I could show you. Now when you want to insert a bibliography, it's in APA format. I can just click on References, and it will give me all of my references in APA format. Okay, so it's giving me each one of these that I put in here, but now it's in APA format. There's my bibliography or my references, and you can turn that in for your references. You may or may not use the other 3 articles besides the Howell article in your final draft, but it will be, now you know how to find the articles and how to reference them, how to cite them.